Step into the extraordinary world of Curzon Street NG3 student accommodation, where the essence of comfort, convenience, and a vibrant community intertwine to craft the ultimate student living experience. Located in a peaceful neighborhood, this luxurious Nottingham residence offers you an impressive range of studio apartments, each thoughtfully designed with a generous bed, sleek side tables, a dedicated study desk, spacious wardrobe, and a fully fitted kitchen that's perfect for whipping up your favorite meals. Not to mention your very own private bathroom for added convenience. For those well-deserved relaxation moments, you can count on free high-speed Wi-Fi to keep you connected with the world. And with your utility bills already covered, there are no extra headaches, just extra comfort. Curzon Street NG3 is perfectly situated, just a leisurely 5-minute stroll from the Confetti Institute of Creative Technologies and a quick 6-minute drive from Nottingham Trent University campus. When it comes to the neighborhood, you've got the Sriracha Korean restaurant and the timeless charm of Ed's Easy Diner, both just a stone's throw away. For a weekend escape, intriguing attractions like the National Justice Museum and the Haunted Museum are close by, ready to captivate your imagination. So, what are you waiting for? Secure your new home at Curzon Street NG3 on amberstudent.com and get ready to embrace the ultimate student lifestyle right here in Nottingham.